Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to make your Snapchat chats last a little longer before they disappear, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to set a friend's chat to delete 7 days after viewing using Snapchat's latest update. It's quick, easy, and gives you more control over your conversations. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you're in, look to the top left corner of your screen and tap your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page, where you can access all your account settings and friends list. Next, tap on My Friends. Here, you'll see a list of all your Snapchat friends. Scroll through and find the friend whose chat settings you want to change. Once you've found them, press and hold down on their name. This will bring up a menu with more options. Now look for the 3 dots at the top right of the screen and tap on them. A new menu will appear. Select Chat and Notification Settings. This is where you can customize how your chats with this friend behave. In the Settings menu, tap on Deletes Chats. You'll see a few options here, but what we want is 7 days after viewing. Tap on it and you're all set. From now on, any messages you send or receive in this chat will be automatically deleted 7 days after they've been viewed, instead of disappearing right away or after just 24 hours. This feature is perfect if you want to keep your conversations around a little longer, maybe to remember plans or just to have a bit more time to look back at your messages. And don't worry, this setting is available to everyone, no Snapchat Plus subscription needed. So that's all it takes to change your chat deletion settings on Snapchat. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends so they can take control of their chats too. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.